do this. And Waze. I need Waze. I like using Waze. And it's right here, the maps. No sound because...
That the city is just frankly not making it. You know, Brian and I on our program often talk a lot about where are the companies. We are in the middle of the retail earnings season. We need these companies to start speaking out. You heard in the last earnings season, Target coming out, now they'll call it shrinkage, which is a nice way of saying staff. And they were putting a number of $500 million, I believe it was, about the impact to their bottom line.
Yeah. Well, I mean, yeah, they do try to reduce their shrinkage, as they call it. But it costs them money to do all of that, and that just raises the price of their products, and that means they don't get as many customers. You got a solution? 855-295-6600. Be right back.
Keep doing what you're doing, Tom. I'm glad you brought this topic up.
Oh, Tom, you are so wise. Oh, my gosh.
It matters where you get your news. Stay connected with KFBK News Radio.
The Tri-County Home and Garden Show and Tiny House Expo is back, presented by the Hot Tub Superstore. This weekend at the air-conditioned Roebelin Center in Roseville. Meet with licensed kitchen and bath remodelers, landscape and pool contractors. Explore tiny homes and speak with the builders. Learn from industry leaders about how to build, live in, and park your tiny home. Plus the all-new Art of Floral Design Competition and floral displays. Free garden seminars, including flower societies and plant sales. Sample gourmet food at the Place of Taste and Cocktail Corner. Stop the pet center for your furry friends. Check out local artisans at the Makers Market, featuring handmade crafts and unique one-of-a-kind finds. From tiny to traditional, it's the Tri-County Home and Garden Show and Tiny House Expo. This weekend at the air-conditioned Roebelin Center in Roseville. Info and discount admission at try-countyhomegardenshow.com.
It can happen easily. A few drinks becomes a few too many. It's time to go, and you think of calling for a ride home. Nah, what's the worst that could happen? You get pulled over, you lose your license, you total your car, you kill someone. Drive sober or get pulled over. Paid for by NHTSA.
This week at Macy's, it's the perfect time to save big on updates you need now, like men's look from Now This, INC, and more, 25% off. And fine jewelry to finish any look, 35 to 70% off. Plus shop back-to-school specials, like 25 to 50% off backpacks from Danforth, High Sierra, and more. Star Rewards members earn rewards on every purchase, except gift cards, services, and fees. Learn more at Macy's.com/StarRewards. Savings on sale and clearance prices excluding the file.
It can happen easily. A few drinks becomes a few too many. It's time to go, and you think of calling for a ride home. Nah, what's the worst that could happen? You get pulled over, you lose your license, you total your car, you kill someone. Drive sober or get pulled over. Paid for by NHTSA.
Hi, it's Kitty O'Neill. Are you frustrated with the hassle and headache of your water softener when you can ditch your outdated softener for good and trade up to a LifeSource whole home water system? And now's a great time to upgrade. For a limited time, LifeSource is offering a ditch the softener rebate valued at up to $1,000 to upgrade to a LifeSource water system. Call 916-312-6430. That's 916-312-6430. Or visit LifeSourceWater.com. Don't miss this opportunity. Call on the source. LifeSource.
Investing involves risk, including possible loss of principal. Income may be subject to state, local, or federal alternative minimum tax. When interest rates rise, prices fall. When interest rates fall, prices rise.
Did you know that municipal bonds are a way for investors to support civil projects while earning federally tax-free income? The Golden Gate Bridge, the tallest bridge in the U.S., was financed with municipal bonds. Are you looking to bridge the gap between the income of your working years and the income needed in retirement? Municipal bonds might provide the solution you're looking for. Henry & Walsh is a leading specialist in tax-free municipal bonds and has provided investors with quality service and personal attention since 1990. Call now to receive their informative bond guide absolutely free. Dial 1-800-761-9761 to learn how to earn retirement income while keeping your taxes at bay. Just dial 1-800-761-9761 for a copy of their informative bond guide for free. No cost, no obligation. 1-800-761-9761. Henry & Walsh, member of FINRA, SIPC.
Kim here for Mirka Redwood. For 20 plus years, we've built a partnership with Trek. Over that
the products with skill and precision. And now it's easier than ever to work with a trusted expert. Request a quote online, chat with someone on BearcoRedwood.com, or visit us in Sacramento, Roseville, El Dorado Hills, or South Sacramento.
If you're hiring, it can feel like you're trying to find a needle in a haystack. You can hope the right person comes along, or you can just use ZipRecruiter. And now you can try it for free at ZipRecruiter.com/radio. In fact, ZipRecruiter has helped a lot of business owners find their needle in a haystack, like Marco, president of operations at Telly Tires and Auto Centers. Because Telly Tires has grown a lot in the last few years, Marco needed to hire everyone from a receptionist to a store manager to a head mechanic.
ZipRecruiter helps me find all the right people, even on difficult jobs to fill. ZipRecruiter helps me keep my business running.
Take it from Marco and millions of other businesses who've used ZipRecruiter. ZipRecruiter can help you find the needle in the haystack.
See why 4 out of 5 employers who post a job on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. And right now, you can try ZipRecruiter for free. That's right, free at ZipRecruiter.com/radio. That's ZipRecruiter.com/RADIO. ZipRecruiter.com/radio. ZipRecruiter, the smartest way to hire.
When you're at home, you can always listen to KFBK. Just ask your smart speaker, hey Google, play KFBK on iHeartRadio.
I tell you, two tweets. Salty is a national treasure. Okay, so we got the Salty Fan Club alive and well. Let's talk to Stacy. Hello, Stacy. What's going on?
Hi, Tom.
Hi.
So, my solution to the problem is...
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Back into the bush. And then if they say something like our governors, they always say, well, we don't have enough room to house all these people in prisons. They're overfilled. Well, you know what? Do what the sheriff did in Arizona, that they made them stop because they said it was inhumane. Have them in jail, but in tents out on federal land, and make it super military style, and keep them there.
Well, you're talking, Sheriff Joe Arpaio. I think he was allowed to do the tents. He also had them in pink prisoner outfits, and he got sued all the time by some prisoner group, and it was that they had to be allowed to watch television. So he put TVs in the tents, and they only had one channel on, the Weather Channel. And that was Arizona. And it was like, yes, it is 119 degrees outside. So he lasted quite a long time, but I think Arizona, a lot of Californians moved in, and things have become much more purple there. But I listen. So Joe Arpaio was too conservative for a lot of people. Then why not forget Joe Arpaio? I think that we should put out, let's treat our prisoners as well as we treat our illegals that are here. They're intense. What's wrong with that? They are.
Yeah. Well, you know what? That's another mess, and I believe that that's another Democratic mess, and all these sanctuary states that they've created that mess, and the same way that they've created a mess with all these people that are stealing, as long as it's under $1,000, they can walk away scot-free. If you don't have a strong foundation and laws that are in place, you're just going to crumble, and that's exactly what we're doing. We're crumbling.
All the bleeding hearts don't like the laws. If they don't have the power to change them, they just ignore them. They just don't follow them.
Yeah.
And we got another problem too, and that is our beloved DAs that are also a bunch of soft on crime. I mean,
Exactly.
It's endless. Not only the DA is soft on crime, but the mayor gets mad if you call the people storming into the stores and stealing everything, call them mobs. Don't you dare call them mobs. That's offensive to these poor kids.
Exactly.
Ooh, nice tattoos.
And see, that's
pretty
so
cool.
wrong. I mean, you know what a kid needs more than anything is they need discipline. And Well, they don't need to be beat behind the door with a belt or anything, but they definitely need some discipline, cold, hard discipline. And if you don't have discipline, the same way a house will fall. It's the same thing that's happening with our government and our states and our cities. They're all crumbling because they don't have any discipline. Nobody's accountable for anything.
I don't know how much worse it's going to get, but I think it will. I think I'm with Betty that it will get worse.
Parking.
At some point,
People,
I keep hoping that people will say, I've had enough, and will vote for different people. The problem is, I'll go back to that one, I got the one tweet about the Republicans and Democrats are all the same. I wish there were some people that would run, that would run for DA, or run for your local dog catcher, or local city council, whatever it might be, and say, I am going to try to pass laws that will crack down and change the rules on these kids. Because like Brian Brenberg said, they know the rules. They know what they can get away with. They know it.
Exactly. Criminals are smart. They're not dumb.